Obaseki don't dissolve campaign council as he salutes the achievement, called them miracle workers. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don't dissolve Edo State People's Democratic Party (PDP) campaign council for September 19 governorship election as he salutes the council dedication as na im make them come out victorious for the election. Obaseki talked this one for meeting wey im do with members of the State Campaign Council for Edo State Government House of Benin City on Monday 28 September 2020. He thanked them for their good work and he called them miracle workers.
As for me, as far as I'm concerned, it could not have been better. I did not see any of those gaps. You could not call any of those things you saw gaps. Because as the Director General said, if you sit back and reflect critically on where we are coming from, how all of this came together, the time we had, the resources we had, and the victory which we finally achieved, you could only describe it as a miracle. And all of you who contributed in one way or the other in making it happen, well, miracle workers.
He talks say he never reach 100 days when he joined PDP, and at that time he take put the campaign team together as na dem gather waka go the 192 wards wey dey Edo State. Obaseki talk say him organize the meeting to thank the team and to officially dissolve them as dem don win Edo 2020 governorship election.
People forget that I joined the party less than 100 days ago, got the party ticket, put together this team, and we all went to war, and here we are today. So we must always put that in perspective, that what we did was all can be described as extraordinary. And it only happened because each and every one of us was committed to the outcome. Look at what we had to do, something that had rarely happened in our modern political life. We all got on the road and we walked from one ward to the other. And therefore, I'm not surprised at the outcome and at the results we achieved. I thought we should have this brief meeting this morning to first appreciate one another, for me to thank you, and to formally dissolve the campaign council now that we have gotten victory.
Edo Governor Yan say it is important for the political party to assist governance and then go fit to do this one through wards level. He talks say plenty things dey to do between now and inauguration day and say Naija and the whole world dey watch Edo State. He promised to provide ogbonge leadership for Edo people. Obaseki tell the party leaders to join nam better South-South regional integration bloc of Bayelsa, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, Cross Rivers, Edo and Delta states wey be Brest Commission.
We need to go back, get our senatorial reports, because along the line we made commitments. And some of those commitments and most of those commitments have to be enshrined in our policies going forward over the next 4 years. And we have so much to do between now and the inaugurations. As you can see from the reaction across the country, the world, the country is watching Edo. They want to see how we will manage our victory and what we will do with this victory. The expectations from our people are at an all-time high. We have no choice but to deliver. But what I can promise you is that I will provide the required leadership. I promise to be fair. I promise to be objective. I promise to be transparent in my dealings with each and every one of you.
PDP National Vice Chairman for South-South and Chairman for the State Campaign Council, Dan Obi, contact members of the council for their work during the campaign period.
Indeed, you did a great job. I know quite a number of us were working in their respective constituencies. Some went out with us going around the 192 wards. But at the end of the day, I must commend all of us for a job well done. There may have been some shortcomings in the course of our campaigns, but I want to take full responsibility for whatever shortcomings you may have noticed in the course of this campaign. I want to sincerely thank all of you, and I also want to sincerely thank the executive governor of Edo State for the faith and confidence he had in all of us.
It's not surprising, looking at the events that preceded the primaries, the time that was available, and the resources that were also available because of the world economy. One would expect that the result we finally achieved would not be possible. So I want to thank God and to thank all of you for everything you did. We can't say everything at one occasion.
Edo PDP chairman Tony Azegbemi can call on all the members of the party to stay united now past before.
I want to appeal to everyone here and through you to members of the party. Failure is an orphan. Success has a lot of cousins, nephews, brothers, sisters, and how we manage this success, everybody will be looking up to us. I've always told somebody before, winning alone for me is all what I need. That the flag of the PDP is in government house is all what I need. And I would implore all of us, please, in the name of God, don't bring down anybody, more so with lies for you to climb. We've managed to get the success we got at the polls. It is now for us to manage our success.
This one and the Ogbonge informate will carry come given on top inside Edo today, as Governor Godwin Obaseki don't dissolve the campaign council of Edo 2020 governorship elections, and he called them miracle workers as they come out victorious. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na carry this Ogbonge informate come given. My name na Edo Gogo Edoleyi from Benin.